Unlike Windows, macOS doesn't include a built-in iSCSI initiator. You'll need third-party software to connect to iSCSI devices. In this example, we'll use Daemon Tools. Please note that Daemon Tools requires a paid license for long-term use. Go to App Center, search for SAN Manager, and install the app. Once installed, click Add LUN to create a virtual disk. Fill in the LUN name, description, and capacity as needed. We recommend selecting Thick LUN and using SSD-based storage. Click OK to confirm and wait for the LUN to be created. Then go to Target. Add Target, select the new LUN. Set an easy-to-recognize IQN. And click OK. Open Daemon Tools. In the main interface, right-click the blank area and select Add. When the pop-up appears, enter the NAS IP address. Make sure the port number matches the one set in SAN Manager. Settings. iSCSI. Service port on the NAS, default is 3260. After entering the info, click Add. If successful, a list of available targets will appear. Select your target, right-click it, and choose Connect. If the target status displays as Connected, it means that the iSCSI virtual disk has been successfully connected to the local device. Newly connected disks may require initialization via disk utility, e.g. formatting to APFS or exFAT file system. Please verify disk information before performing any disk operations to prevent accidental data loss. Once connected, macOS will automatically mount the LUN after a few seconds. The disk will then show up on your desktop and in the Finder sidebar, just like a local drive. You can now read, write, format, and partition it as you would with any regular hard disk. By default, iSCSI doesn't require login, so any device on the LAN can connect. To prevent unauthorized access, you can enable CHAP authentication. CHAP is a secure way to verify the identity of devices. If CHAP is enabled, only the NAS checks the client's identity. With mutual CHAP, both the NAS and client verify each other, which adds extra security. To enable CHAP, go to SAN Manager, Settings, find Default iSCSI CHAP, CHAP Authentication, and turn it on. Set a username and password, then click Save. Next, go to the target page, select the target, click Edit, and enable CHAP Authentication. The info you just set will be used by default. If you need different credentials, choose Custom and enter them manually, then click OK. When CHAP is enabled, the client will be prompted to authenticate when connecting. You must enter the correct username and password to complete the connection. To enable mutual CHAP authentication, create a second username and password, must be different from the first, then click Save. Return to the target page, select the target, and click Edit. Enable CHAP authentication. The info you just created will be used automatically. If needed, you can choose Custom to enter different details manually, then click OK to finish setup. When connecting, a Target Authentication window will appear. Enter the first set of credentials, set under CHAP in the NAS, and also fill in the username and password for the target itself. Click OK to complete the connection.